Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is acceptance. 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 Acceptance is a noun that refers to the action or process of accepting something or someone. It signifies the state of being approved, welcomed, or embraced. Here are some examples. Example number 1. His acceptance into the prestigious university was a dream come true. Why acceptance is used in example number 1. Acceptance is used to describe the process of him being approved for enrollment in the prestigious university. Example number 2. The widespread acceptance of new technology has transformed our daily lives. Why acceptance is used in example number 2. This sentence uses acceptance to emphasize how new technology has been widely embraced and integrated into daily life. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.